Hey, Gary Baker here with PublisherReport.com. In this quick video, I want to talk to you about making money on Amazon KDP with puzzle books. And to do that, let's jump on the screen. And first, let's just type in puzzle books. And you're going to see here when it comes up with the keywords, puzzle books for adults, crossword puzzle books for seniors, puzzle books for teen boys, teens mystery, puzzle books for kids 8 to 12. But what do you need to actually create puzzle books? Well, you need to create puzzles. And how can you do that? In this video, I'm going to show you a simple software solution to get you started with creating puzzles in niches for puzzle books for seniors, crossword puzzles, as well as a few other puzzle types that you see right here inside of the word puzzles generator. Crossword puzzles, cryptograms, double puzzle, scramble, and missing vowel. Now, of course, you're going to have to do your research and figure out how to angle and create titles and target these books for these specific keywords that you see right here. Again, kids 8 to 4, kids 9 to 12, seniors, crossword puzzles, as well as coming up with cryptograms, double puzzle, scrambles, and missing vowels. But this software, this puzzles generator software, which is on sale, and there's a link in the description where you can get this simple software to start creating these puzzles that I'm going to walk you through and show you how simple this software here is in a second. But I want to make sure that you understand that what I'm talking about here is purchasing a piece of software that is going to allow you to create puzzles so you can therefore sell these puzzles on Amazon. Of course, you can sell them in other places, but the majority of the people that are going to publish these are going to start off on Amazon creating simple books. Again, using those keywords that we found right here for adults, for seniors, for different kids, for teens, for teen mystery. And of course, again, I'm talking about using a simple software that I'm going to show you right here. And then I'm going to show you the sales page so you understand exactly what you're getting. So here inside the word puzzles generator, you can see we are going to create crossword puzzle. So to create a crossword puzzle, you simply just select create a crossword, and then you enter right here a name for this puzzle. And you just call it crossword or crossword 1, and you simply select create. You can see I have another one here that I already created. So we'll go ahead and click on view. And you can see here that the crossword puzzle was created from the input that I added. So if you click on edit, because what you'll do is you'll upload a text or a CSV file. And then once you upload that, you'll have that text file in this order. And you can see here that I had this title generically called puzzle 1. And in this case, I could change this to leaders of the world. And you can see here, for example, like Alexander was the powerful ancient ruler of ancient Greece. We'll go ahead and save changes, and you're going to see that the title changed right there, as well as the solution, leaders of the world solution. You're going to see all the different hints right here in the crossword puzzle that was created, and you're going to see the solution. And to simply download that, you simply come over here and you click on this little download button, and you can download it as PNG, JPEGs, PowerPoint, and PDF. Now, to download the PowerPoint, when you actually purchase the software, there are some upgrades that you have to purchase to get those features. But just to download it in PNG, you simply click download. And it's going to process that and download a zip file. Then you're just going to open that zip file right here. And when that zip file opens, you'll have a folder, and you'll see that you'll have a PNG for the puzzle. There's the PNG. Of course, it is in transparent, so it looks like it has a black background. But you could take this PNG and you can easily embed this in, say, Canva or Word or PowerPoint with a white background, or you can actually come here and you can change the settings on your puzzle. And for example, if you want it to be red, you could change the font color here. You could change the description color, the border color, the puzzle font color, the clue color, and you can see that here it is changed to red. So if you wanted to layer this over a different color background, or if you just wanted to print color pages, for example, if you were going to sell these on Etsy or your own website as a printable, if you weren't totally focused on publishing on Amazon, and typically publishing on Amazon is black and white, you have all these options inside this simple software to change this, as well as the font size here for the title. You can see there that that changes, the description, the puzzle font size. You can see that that's going to change, as well as the clue font size. You can change it and make sure that it all matches up to change all those things you want right there. You can get rid of the clues. Not sure why you'd want to do that, but you can. You can show the answers right here if you wanted to show the answers. And you can change the border style here. You could actually make it circles instead of squares. So you can see it's very customizable. Now that is Crosswords. If you were to simply click go back to the crossword puzzle, go back to the console. We also have Cryptograms in this software. To create a cryptogram, it's the same format. Go ahead and click View. They do have a sample cryptogram input file. You can simply just download that, and then you can open that right there. And when you open that, it's going to show you the simple format that you're going to use, which in this case, to create a simple cryptogram is just a sentence. And then if you want an author's name, you just simply put this little pipe symbol here, this little line. So simply you just upload that file right here. By selecting that file, here is the sample crypto input file. And you can see here it generates the crypto input, and you can simply just download these again in PNG, and you can add those again to Canva, PowerPoint, or Word. And of course you can edit all this right here. And you can also edit the options inside of the puzzle. Again, all the puzzle options are fully customizable to include color and solutions. So that is cryptogram puzzles. We'll go ahead and we'll go back to the puzzle home. Double puzzles, you can see right here, this is a double puzzle. You can see that it's basically a scramble with different numbers here and highlighted numbers, and then you add here and you create the solution. When you scroll down, you can see pumpkin, bat, cobweb, and you come down here and it says Happy Halloween. So that is the double puzzle. Go ahead and go back to the puzzle home. Here you have scramble. You can see I've created a scramble already. Simple word scramble, just like in the double puzzle, except it doesn't have the double puzzle at the end. You can see the solution. Again, all fully customizable. Color, alignment for the puzzle alignment, as well as the scramble alignment. So you can make those any way you need. And it's simply just click and set the options. Go back to the puzzle home. Missing vowel, same thing here. Create a missing vowel. Go ahead and say missing vowel or whatever you want to call it. Click create. Go ahead and create view. Upload a text file. We'll go ahead and select a file to upload. In this case, I'll select this file, autumn fall text. And you can see right here that the missing vowels are added in. And then of course down here are the solutions. Apple, autumn, bay of hay, bell of hay, cider, corn, cornucopia, nuts. And of course it's all again fully customizable by clicking the little cogwheel and changing the settings. Now you might see a little error right here. This little red X means that data was outside the page bounds. So if you click on the edit, you can see that the data, some of this was too long. So you need to take some of this out. Go ahead and save changes. You'll see that that'll go green. So the software is actually assisting you and telling you that, hey, you've put too much information in here. There's not enough space in the puzzle to save the PNG without it bleeding out over the screen or out over the page. And then again, if you want to download that, you simply just click download. You can download it in PNG or JPEG, PowerPoint or PDF. These are upgrade options, and we're going to take a look at that real quick on the sales page. Now, one of the questions you also might ask is, where did I get these text files that I've been uploading? Of course, there's a link in the description that'll lead you over to my puzzle word list database, which is what you see right here on the screen, where I have a complete database of list of words, things like family, food, famous people, historical sites, holidays. And you can purchase this at the link in the description. When you click on that link, it'll take you over to puzzlewordlist.com, and you can see here you can join this for $5 a month. And it's very simple to join. And once you get inside, all you do is download the word list and use this software right here that I'm talking about, the smart 2-in-1 cloud-based app that helps you create a full-time passive income publishing puzzle books on Amazon KDP. 4 simple steps. You saw the steps right there, how easy they are. The sales page is going to walk you through all that. You can see there is currently a countdown timer. This is Friday, November 20th. So this is on sale right now because they are just releasing this product right now. So if you click here, you can grab a discounted copy. It's going to take you down, and you can currently get it right now while this timer is still counting down for $27. There will be some upsells to get some additional features, but the main feature of creating the puzzles you can get for $27. So make sure you do your due diligence and understand what you're buying or if you need it. And if you need it, and if you're really going to use this software to really start creating puzzles to sell on Amazon KDP, or create your own printables, or create your own books and sell them on your own shop, such as Shopify or GrooveCart, then go ahead, check out the software. It's on sale. You can start creating word puzzles and making money online. And of course, all those puzzles, Again, our crossword, cryptogram, double puzzle, scramble, and missing vowel. And you saw how easy they are to create just by clicking each one of these buttons, uploading a simple text file, following the format that they give you, and they give you all the sample files or the sample formats to follow in those files. Download those, edit them. Of course, you can use the words that you get inside of Puzzle Word List database. All the links are in the description. Click those links, check out all of these resources, and get started today if you're interested in actually puzzling or publishing puzzle books. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Typewriter right here, click that, subscribe to the channel, check out these other videos and links in the description. Grab this software, start publishing your own puzzle books today. I'll talk to you later. Bye.